this is Kelly from Petica Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and today's video is going to be a really quick one, but I hope it is super helpful for you. It is going to be a time-saving one for sure. So I'm going to show you how to quickly duplicate items. It does not matter if it's a text box or an image or a button. It's going to work on all of them, okay? And this is going to allow you to quickly make duplicates on the same page and to also transfer multiple items at one time to different pages, okay? So we're going to go ahead and pull out a text box, we'll pull out a button, and we'll pull out an image for our demonstration. So let's just grab these leaves here. Okay, so we have three different types of items, but the technique is going to work on all of them. So what I'll point out first, and you may have encountered this, sometimes when you click on the button like this, you just click here and it gives you a box, and you do Command-C, Command-V, sometimes it duplicates it, but right now it didn't. Right? So it actually gave me the last thing that I copied. So what I need to do is make sure this little blue tab is here. So if you click on that and then do Command-C and Command-V, it should do it. Okay? I don't know why it is like that, but that's how, like, it's kind of my foolproof way of doing it. Okay? But I will say it's confusing because sometimes, like I said, if you click here just on the button itself, it might duplicate the whole thing. And it didn't. It says nothing found on clipboard. So that may be a mistake that you guys are making. So just make sure you grab that little blue tab. So now we can actually, we had this copied, right? So we can either duplicate it on this page, and here we have another identical item, or we can go to another page and duplicate it here. Okay, now if you want to grab 3 items at once, or we can grab all 4 of these, you want to click on all of them. And here it actually doesn't matter if you grab the tab. So you can click here and here and here. On the last one, you need to make sure you do the tab. So Command-C, Command-V, here we have all of them duplicated, and we can easily come over here and duplicate it on this page. So go ahead and leave a comment below if this was helpful for you, or if you have a different technique. I would love to know what you do. But if you've been encountering this problem, like you don't know how to consistently get all of them copied and duplicated, I hope that this helped you, that little tip on the blue tab, okay? As always, please give this video a like and share it with anyone else who would find it helpful, and also let me know what you would like to see in future videos. All right, thanks.